Are you new to our channel? So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to Smart and press the bell icon on to get all instant updates. And if you're watching a video, don't forget to like the video and comment in our video. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video, I'll be showing the unboxing and review of the Vivo Z1x. So I really like to do all these unboxing kind of things, and I really love to do all the mobile unboxing especially. So I I really love to do these things, and you think where I get all these mobiles? It's nothing. So I get it from my friend actually. And the main thing about this video is this should be shot on highway. Yeah. So then, let's get Silky Beat.